on, everyone? So today on our journey, we're looking for the perfect prickly pear. Ooh, that one's cool. That one's pretty neat. But we're driving around Arizona just trying to find all the different varieties that come up. Whenever they do, whoa, that one's interesting. Yellow, I like that. We drove all around looking for the best varieties we could possibly come across. We're also wondering which ones taste the best. Ooh, that one's kind of orangish yellow. Wow. There are prickly pear throughout all the state, and we're excited to know, wow, that one's incredible. That's a nice one. But ultimately, we started heading back towards our homeland, and we found the really good looking red ones that we're going to share with you in this video, right in Queen Creek, just 10 miles from our house. Thanks.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jackson Taylor, and today we're here in Queen Creek, Arizona, and for some reason my weird dad calls it the heart of the Sonoran Desert, and today we are going to be talking about prickly pear. So the best place that you could find prickly pear is probably between the Bank of America and Carl's Jr. Just kidding, but
Deep in the heart of the Sonoran Desert.
But just kidding, anywhere in the Sonoran Desert is probably a good place to find it. When you're urban food foraging, it's best to pick out the fruit that has generally the darker color, reddish color, and it's supposed to taste a lot better than the other types.
We've tried the greens and the yellows, and these just taste a lot better. So now we're going to show you guys how to pick them.
Okay, now it's time to show you the weapons we use to pick the prickly pear fruit. So what we're going to be using is a metal bowl. It's usually better to use a metal bowl for this because plastic bowls, the little thorn-like things, they're called orchids, will get stuck in them. So it's best to use a metal bowl for that. So, and those are these two things.
You didn't tell what those were.
Oh yeah. These are just for picking it. So
those are some metal tongs, same reason. You don't want plastic tongs that the orchids can stick into.
Yeah.
And then we have one final weapon that we use in our battle against the orchids.
Fire.
All right, so Riker right here has a little blowtorch with a Coleman propane tank on it, and we'll show you how we're gonna harvest these right now.
Put the tongs around it and twist. You don't want to pull it. It could get the skin off and you may never get it off. So just twist it and it'll come off a lot easier.
Okay, now we're gonna do the next step. Go, Riker. A little too far on the first one, but we're trying to burn those little hairs off. And you can see as we blowtorch, you can see the little embers. Hold it still, please. They light up and they're nice and burnt now. So we can put it in our bowl and we don't have to worry about that one poking us. So we're gonna take a step back and watch the boys get a harvest, and we'll show you what we have when we're all done. See you in a bit.
Alright, so we're back, everybody, and we stopped at the grocery store and we actually found this.
It says Cactus Pear at the grocery store. We thought we'd try it out.
Yeah, and then when we brought this, when we got this, we brought this all back and put it in the fridge. So it's nice and chill, just how we like it. So, and that's
Let's try it out. Mom's gonna do her thing.
Which one first?
Let's do the little one first.
Yeah.
Careful not to poke yourself.
Color that probably is.
Awesome.
Yep.
Ooh. That one doesn't look incredibly red.
Red inside. It does look a little different than normal. All right, who's gonna be the first one to try it, Mayday?
So, is this fleshy part of it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm the first one. Yeah, maybe I didn't know
Don't need the spoon.
It's got thorns on it.
We tried to burn them off, but we were doing it quickly.
Well, I should cut that part off.
All right, Maisie, you want to be the first one to try?
Yes.
All right. Let's see Maisie's reaction. Good? You like it? All right, Jackson.
Okay. It's sour.
Is it sour?
Yeah.
Not to me.
All right, Riker.
That one was sweet.
It was sweet. Harley?
No. It's like a warhead. It's like a warhead.
Too many seeds. Okay. All right, Mom.
Like at first it was sour, but now
You're good? You're not even going to try it? Just take a little bite. You're good. Just
No,
take
it
a little
was like-
bite.
It's like watermelon with seeds.
No, do you know the warheads, like the candy? It tastes like that because at
Tastes
first
like
it's sour.
warheads?
Yeah. At first it's sour and then it's sweet. It's okay. Just wait.
It's okay. It'll taste better. Trust me, it'll taste better.
No.
Well, there's seeds in it. She's not going to eat the
I don't want to
seeds.
eat the seeds. Those are.
What'd you think?
If the seeds were in it, I would have liked it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It almost tastes like watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good.
So you don't like it? You don't.
I'm not a watermelon fan, but it tastes like watermelon to me.
I'm a watermelon fan.
All right, so now let's try the Walmart one.
I'm gonna do this time. This is
Red. Please be red.
I don't think it's going to be red
be
inside.
red.
Green.
Might be yellow.
Yeah.
not even close.
So that looks more like kind of a dragon fruit.
It doesn't
Inside.
smell
The
good.
yellow dragon fruit.
I don't know if I want to try this one.
These are rip-offs.
It
Why don't
doesn't
you try this one?
feel or smell.
They're not
right.
rip-offs.
Yeah,
Well,
they're
if it
rip-offs.
doesn't feel or smell ripe, it may not be. But they sold it at Walmart for some reason.
Because people will buy it.
Obviously.
Don't trust Walmart, guys.
For $1 something each, too.
Wow.
Not the most expensive fruit we bought. Looks slimy and delicious and
It's-
hard to...
Really
looks
hard
stale.
and very seedy.
It looks like a cucumber. I'm really excited
It
to
smells
try
like
this.
a cucumber.
All right. All right,
Can I go back to the watermelon one?
Yeah.
Well, it tastes gross.
Do you like it, Maymay? You do?
Seedy.
Riker, you thought it was good?
So it tastes like cucumber. It's disgusting.
All right, Jackson, go for it.
Yeah, I know.
Not a fan, Harley.
I don't want to go.
Just do it.
She did it.
Not a fan. All right, Mom.
Really?
Yep, really.
You have to try it.
All right, that's fine.
Here you go. You get the.
It's
This one.
revolting.
That's lovely, honey.
I'm sorry, I can't even.
And now everybody
All
has
right,
to.
let me try.
Everybody has to see your face. When
That's
you
what I'm
eat it.
trying.
Everybody has
I
to.
can't switch it.
No, but you can turn the
It's
off
terrible.
smell.
Oh, wow. That's really
Ew,
bad.
you spit on me.
Yeah, so that.
Sorry, so if you guys want to know, the watermelon tasting one was our native one, and it tasted pretty darn good. Thanks,
so like
sir.
we said again, like green ones don't taste nearly as good as.
And the store-bought ones aren't nearly as good as the ones we just found naturally here. So that's pretty cool.
So when you're going for prickly pear, it's best to pick out the ones that are actually growing.
And we like the red ones.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Thanks.
Subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.